And now bringing up a man that I have great respect for. He needs no introduction in the comedy industry. Back to back, he kills every time he performs. Please put your hands together for a man we call the legend himself. Celebrate Bo Joint in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, Bo Joint, Bo Joint, Bo Joint.
Why you laugh? You should be don't go scratch that guy. If you scratch me, you scratch your destiny. Oh well. I might even come down. I greet you now. No, people never come. Good evening. Good evening. I see fine ladies. I beg all these men. Men, please don't be saying because you want impress girl. Go they promise her what you know if you give her. Or because you want enter. Can't they promise woman what you know if you give. I don't see quarter what I said to this evening. The man, because he want enter, don't promise girl. When we look the list of what he promised, helicopter there. And the guy's salary now 42,000. So that's why they beg. I beg you, the name of God. I beg, no, they promise. And now for a year, I tell them, say, this country, joblessness, don't make everybody dream. Yeah, dream. You go wake up in the morning just to say you wait for trouser. Nobody, whether that thing never do. Okay? On our way to this table, it don't happen to now. I tell you, it don't do me before. I go sleep in the morning, wake up. Now one winch, you go use one girl where you like in face come. The winch they come 2 a.m. You go do me, go by 4. Another 2 a.m. you go come again. You go do me, you go by 4. The third one he come again, 2 a.m. You do me, go by 4. The next one when come now ready for him. 2 a.m. now the winch come. You do me reach 4, he won't go now cool him. Now I can't continue where she stop. 4, I don't leave on 5, 6, I don't leave on 7, I don't leave on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in the afternoon. Now she come to complain, I be wish you. I say I know. I don't let her go. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the evening. I let the winch go. I can't expect them that midnight, 2 a.m. she no come. The following 2 a.m. she no come. The third one she no come. Now the fourth one, 2 a.m. now she come. Before, if she come, you could not come straight to bed, don't climb me. But this time around, she no come straight. She come stand for the entrance of my room. I lie down for her, they look and she they look me. I they look and she they look me. Now me come say, winch come now. Winch say no. I say, why? He said, we never talk price. How? I don't tell you, don't say that joblessness. Now, everybody does the jackpot now. Jackpot just too much for this country. Before you go know now, you go see 2 people today, tomorrow, go meet 2 of them go there together. Tomorrow, go check out, they say you don't travel. Everybody does the jackpot. And they fear. Men don't say the way this is the jackpot now, Nigeria will come empty to the extent say Nigeria will come the echo. When one call for him, go say funny, boom, boom. Yeah. You they go. Everywhere. And this jackpot, I don't lie for you. I swear to God. Now poor people, nine be jackpot, I swear. Rich men in the jackpot now. How? You can imagine me they say Dangote jackpot. Why? It's not possible. Or me they say $10 jackpot. Might even bring them down. Me they say AY. Say AY is jackpot. No. Like this organ now, I see there so. Highest now relocation. He don't get house there. He go relocate. He and his wife. Sometimes now him go relocate in children and in wife. He go there here. Nothing. But poor people. You know, as this man does so, this organ does so. If he travel, he no tell him friend. They hear, if he travel, he no tell him friend. What go happen? In friend notice he don't travel because Mr. James, you traveled and I didn't hear. That one go say, actually, it's just an emergency. He go say, oh, okay. He go say, when are you coming back? He go say, the next 2 weeks. He go say, okay, save. Now, so for big men, not be poor people, poor people, you travel, you not tell them. You go, first of all, you go look like a wicked person, and you go to behave like say you die. You go just say, ha! Now, wow. And now, their voice are there here, and me and drink together. Now you don't travel. Ha! This guy, if he keep person, this guy wicked. I don't know why poor people, I don't know. Now, and one thing, if you even rich man, palm go to scratch him. Okay, yo. If it be nature, you could just come. I don't understand. My palm has been itching me. If fellow rich man could just say, why? What's the problem? Because I don't understand. He could say, have you seen your doctor? He could say, no. Come on, go and see your doctor. You can't live it that way. Now, big man be that, oh. No be poor people, oh. Poor man. You don't feel be fashion, oh. You just say, hey, this way my hand is scratch me. People say money, they come, oh. You not get money, oh. You not get work, oh. Where the money won't come from? And when the what I don't understand, why the rich people they always the rich are poor, they always the poor now because the rich men, whether in the fall, thunder they strike, then they on the move. Then they pursue money, they go. Then go look for business. Rain the fall, thunder they strike, breeze they blow. Poor people not be small, not be only poor people, not be poor people. Only weather just change, small breeze just blow. You go see poor man go they corner. Weather for two will kill you. I don't understand everything about poor. Yeah, thinking. Now they don't know the thing. And they talk about this jackpot thing. You don't say this jackpot thing, Nigerians, what I understand by Nigerians, all those poor people, not be say whether they fight better country where they go. So far then come up for Nigeria. Now once they don't come up for Nigeria, they don't care country where they go. You don't say this jackpot make somebody, my friend, go travel, go country where no they map. I swear to God, I see the guy. You know, when one person call you from abroad, if you see him plus 447 or plus 233, this guy call me, the code, it be like code where they take the load recharge card. I just see star 452. I say, who be this one? He call me, I no gree pick up. I say, I don't know this number. Maybe they don't go scam me. He call. Now me call. I can't look at, I can't send message. Baba, pick my call, now me. I say, I can't wait for the call. He call the guy, pick up. I say, hello. He say, Baba, Alpha. Now me they call you now. I say, what happened? Where you there? He say, I don't leave Nigeria for now. I say, where you there? He said, they want country. I say, which country? He say, country. I say, which country? He say, no. I say, wait, oh. I say, America. He say, no. I say, Canada. He say, no. I say, UK. He say, God forbid. I say, now France. He say, what I want to do there? I say, which country now? He say, wait, may I ask? You don't even know the country where they. I call it, and I want idiot, where two of them to run together. He say, where be this country? Republic of Fumbao. I say, where be Republic of Fumbao? I look map, you know, there. I come and say, come, where is they? Which continent? He say, no. I say, he said, but what did they tell her? They said, now small son, take far pass him. Say, they near son. Now, I swear to God, before you go come back, you turn to a so idiot. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't try to warm the audience because we wait for other, say, I don't understand why, come let's say, the table got empty like this. This is a very long time. You don't want to perform for front of where chair, plenty past people. So, it's called a big worker and called it the worker, but all this, we go run like that. But no, I tell you, women get power. Women are so powerful. You know why? If you to say woman get power as a man, go out there and go lodge. May woman no day. They need a quick break. Okay, you don't know. Okay, try him. Go out there, woman no day. I swear. I don't try him now. My friends they talk. I try him. I dey hotel, sleep. Only me. They look ceiling. I sleep. I look time 10 p.m. I sleep. Only for the sleep. I dream say I buy motor, I buy land, I build house, I travel go 4 different countries. I wake up 2 minutes after 10. Now me call my friend. Hello. The guy say waiting. I said they don't break for your side. He said I said it be time for there. He said now 3 minutes after 10. I said they break. He said you there hotel. I said he said you carry woman. I said no. He said they no go break. They no go break. Baba, one of my friends told him now, they no break. Then he begin call girl randomly. You know they get girls for hello? Babe, what's up? The guy say, hey. The guy say, so you remember me today? He say, no. Say, the guy say, he just asked the girl, where are you? The guy say, I'm at home. Say, say, can you come and meet me at Green Spring Hotel? The guy say, hey, I talk him. Say this call no be ordinary call. Conju will kill you there, I will not come. The guy tell him, he called call. He called another person. That one, disappointed. He called the third person, disappointed. Fourth, he disappointed. He don't know why he call his wife. Funny enough, you just go call the wife. Hello? The wife say, hello. He say, baby, what's up? The wife say, I'm fine. The woman, they look and say, okay, now love, I'm fine. Say, where are you? The woman say, I'm at home, of course. Because, long time, oh. The wife say, long time, care. How it be long time? Wife, they look at. He say, the wife goes by. He say, you say you're at home. He say, can you come and meet me at Green Spring Hotel? The woman say, what do you mean? He say, you will love it. Don't worry. I will do you well. Now your wife say, are you okay? He say, I'm okay, baby. Let's just see. Now your wife tell her, say, now when your wife tell her, say, who do you think I will leave the children with? You can't look at my wife. Now you cut and pim. Now your wife call him back. Hello, what is the meaning of that? He say, what is the meaning of what you just said now? Because actually, I wanted you to come to this hotel and check if we can buy it. And a civil servant, you know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please let me leave. Good night. God bless you.
Please put your hands together for the legendary ball joint.